All right, so we're going to do something a little bit different on the channel here today. And I'm not going to try to sell you guys on why you should use Amazon Pharmacy. I'm basically just going to answer a simple question that happens quite a bit. I've seen it on Reddit. I've seen it even at work. People have asked me because they know that I've switched from one of the major brands of pharmacies around me to Amazon for anything that's recurring. But anyways, so what we're going to do here is talk about how to make this cap not child resistant. And if you don't have kids, you're definitely going to want to do that. Or if your kids are at an age that it would be appropriate for you to do this, here's how you do it. So right now, as you can see, it's childproof on here. You know, you've got to push down to get to it. However, this other cap, it's just a twist cap. And all you have to do is you take the cap, push, you hear the snaps there, and now you've got a regular cap. It's not child resistant, it is sealed. And if you ever want to go back, you just push it the other way. And that's that. So it's that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And with that, have a great day.